So yan po yung transaction tax output and withholding tax payable. Of course, di ba po nag-record tayo ng sales? All the VAT-related chart of accounts here, like for example, sa ating sales, yung kanyang output VAT, yung kanyang creditable withholding tax, ito po, yung output VAT niya, goes to liability, this goes to asset, yung kanyang creditable withholding tax dun sa ating purchases, yung kanyang payable, already goes, withholding tax payable, already goes through our withholding tax payable under liabilities, and yung input tax goes to our asset. So kung titignan po natin yung ating reports, nandun na rin po yung ating mga chart of accounts related sa tax. So kada record po natin ng mga tax related po na pupunta na sa ating financial position, as well as yung ating liability items for output VAT and yung ating withholding tax payable. So yan po yung transaction tax output and withholding tax payable. So yun po yung ating accounting reports.